Welcome to Pharos, the user interface to the Knowledge Management Center, part of the Illuminating the Druggable Genome program. Today, we'll quickly walk through Pharos to highlight the target focus of the Pharos interface. Start off with a list of more than 1700 targets and a set of filters on the left-hand side. We're particularly interested in targets that have little or no information about them, T-dark, and targets that have a OMIM phenotype based on two or more papers, but have no small molecules associated with them, T-bio. This gives us a set of just over 1,000 targets. We can filter this further by selecting one of these options on the sidebar, or we can explore all the filters that lets us reduce the target list based on associations with diseases, tissue expression, phenotypes such as GWAS traits or mouse phenotypes, and even administrative filters such as grants, ICs, etc. For now, let's look at targets that are associated with expression in the blood and immune system. Applying this gives us just over 600 targets. Let's reduce this further by focusing on ion channels and looking at the disease atrial fibrillation. This gives us a set of 9 targets. At this stage, we can select a subset of them for further study by adding them to our dossier. This allows us to go back at any point to study these targets in more detail or download the data around them using this icon. We can also download all the data around all the targets in our search list using the same icon as before. We can also dig into the details of a single target and examine the data that's been collected around it. For example, we can look at the diseases associated with this target, and if desired, we can restart the search and identify all the targets associated with a given disease. We can also look at the expression of this target in various tissues based on data that has been collected from various databases such as GTEx and the Human Protein Atlas. All the data about an individual target can be downloaded using the same icon as before. Finally, the Pharos interface provides a variety of ways to visualize the data around a target. For example, the interactive pie chart summarizes drug target ontology terms associated with these targets. The radar chart on the right-hand side allows us to explore the data types that are available for a given target, as well as download these associations shown here. And finally, we can explore gaps in the knowledge around a set of targets using this heat map visualization. If you would like to learn more about Pharos, please visit pharos.nih.gov.